Stop overpaying for workshop tools. I've rounded up 10 game-changing tools under $100 that pros love, and that won't break the bank. We're testing durability, functionality, and value to see what truly deserves a spot in your workshop. I'm Mike Carter, and today I've got 10 killer tools that will upgrade your game without emptying your wallet. Each tool is carefully selected for performance, durability, and incredible value. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a weekend warrior, there's something here for you. Check the description for direct Amazon links and exclusive deals. Let's get started with a must-have for anyone using a drill or impact driver. First up, let's check out the LEXIVON Impact Grade Socket Adapter Set, a true game changer for anyone who works with tools, whether you're a seasoned pro or a weekend DIY enthusiast. This set instantly transforms your regular drill or impact driver into a high-speed nut driver, making it perfect for tackling any project that involves a ton of nuts and bolts. No more switching between tools or wasting time with manual ratchets. Just snap on the adapter and power through your tasks with ease and efficiency. Each adapter is expertly forged from heat-treated chrome vanadium steel, which means they're built to handle serious torque and heavy-duty jobs without breaking a sweat. You can really feel the quality in your hands. These adapters are made to last. Plus, the black phosphate coating isn't just for looks. It's a tough, corrosion-resistant finish that protects your tools from rust and wear, so you can count on them to stay in great shape for years, even in tough workshop conditions. The set includes 3 essential sizes, 1/4, 3/8, and 1/2, each with a universal 1/4 inches hex shank. That means they'll fit just about any drill or driver you already own, making them incredibly versatile for all sorts of jobs around the house, garage, or job site. It's like giving your entire socket collection a serious power tool upgrade, letting you breeze through jobs that used to take forever by hand. Imagine how much faster you'll get things done. Professional mechanics love these adapters for speeding up repetitive tasks, while DIYers appreciate the pro-level feel and convenience they bring to everyday repairs and projects. And the best part? You get all this quality and versatility for under $15. That's an incredible value for a set that can completely change the way you work. If you're ready to upgrade your workflow and make your life easier, just grab the link in the description and pick up your own set today. Don't miss out on this essential addition to your toolbox. It's a small investment that pays off big every time you reach for it. Next up, let's tackle workshop organization and take your workspace to the next level. Tool number 2, let's talk about the DEWALT TSTAK Toolbox, a true game changer for anyone who wants to keep their workspace organized and efficient. Whether you're a professional contractor, a weekend DIYer, or just someone who likes their tools in order, this toolbox is designed to make your life easier. The TSTAK system is fully modular, meaning you can stack and lock multiple boxes together to build your perfect storage tower. Each box clicks securely into place, so you can customize your setup for any job, big or small. Built with heavy-duty structural foam and rust-resistant metal latches, the TSTAK is engineered to withstand tough job site conditions. You don't have to worry about wear and tear. This box is made to last for years, no matter how rough you are on your gear. Inside, the removable tray keeps your most used tools organized and right at your fingertips. No more digging around for that one screwdriver or bit. Everything has its place, making your workflow smoother and faster. The spacious main compartment is perfect for storing larger tools like drills, batteries, chargers, and even safety gear. There's plenty of room for all your essentials so you can bring everything you need to the job. The bi-material handle is designed for comfort, making it easy to carry even when the box is fully loaded. Plus, the stackable design means you can transport multiple boxes at once, saving you trips back and forth. Investing in a TSTAK isn't just about storage, it's about saving time, reducing frustration, and keeping your workspace clutter-free. You'll spend less time searching for tools and more time getting things done. And the best part? All this professional-grade storage comes in at under $100, making it accessible for everyone from hobbyists to pros. Be sure to check the description below for the latest deals and bundle offers. Sometimes you can score extra boxes or accessories at a discount. But what if you need something even more portable than a hard case? Maybe you're working in tight spaces or need to travel light. Let's check out the ultimate go-anywhere tool bag that's perfect for quick jobs and on-the-move repairs. Meet the WORKPRO 16 inches wide mouth tool bag. The molded waterproof base keeps your tools dry, no more soggy bags or rust. The wide-mouth design, reinforced with a metal frame, lets you see and grab everything at a glance. Tons of pockets inside and out keep small items organized. Tough, tear-resistant fabric and padded handles make it durable and comfortable. Perfect for pros and homeowners alike, and it's shockingly affordable. For a grab-and-go solution that protects your gear, this bag is a top pick. Links for the best deals are in the description. Now let's check out a budget-friendly alternative. The Amazon Basics Large Tool Bag is all about value. It's spacious, big enough for multiple power tools and all your essentials. Durable Oxford cloth construction and heavy-duty stitching mean it can take a beating. Simple design, lots of pockets, and a strong zipper. No frills, just function. Both handles and a shoulder strap make it easy to carry heavy loads. If you need a high-capacity, budget-friendly bag, this is it. Perfect for backup tools, hobbies, or anyone on a tight budget. The price is almost unbeatable. Check the description for the latest deal. Next, a tiny tool that solves a huge problem. The DEWALT FlexTorq magnetic bit holder keeps your bits locked in. No more dropped bits from ladders or tight spots. A powerful magnet and locking collar hold bits securely with an audible click for confidence. The FlexTorq torsion zone absorbs impact driver torque, protecting your bits from breakage. It's a small upgrade that saves time, frustration, and money on replacements. Drive screws one-handed, overhead, or at awkward angles with ease. For drywall, cabinets, or any screw-heavy job, this is a must-have. Costs less than a fancy coffee, but delivers huge value. Every drill owner should have one. Grab it from the link below. Next, let's pair it with the ultimate bit set, 10. The DEWALT 32-piece bit set gives you every bit you'll need. Phillips, Posey, slotted, Torx, and more. Precision machined for a perfect fit, these bits prevent stripping and last longer. The tough case keeps everything organized and easy to find. Includes a magnetic bit holder, ready to go out of the box. All the essentials for under $100. Ideal for new homeowners or anyone upgrading from a mismatched set. Less frustration, better results. Check the description for the latest price. Now, for those using impact drivers, here's the next level. The DEWALT FlexTorq 40-piece set is built for impact drivers. Each bit has a torsion zone to absorb torque and prevent breakage. Includes a wide range of bit types and lengths, plus nut drivers and a magnetic screw lock sleeve. The tough case system keeps everything organized and visible. Designed for pros who drive thousands of screws, but perfect for DIYers who want bits that last. Still under $100, this set is a serious upgrade for anyone with an impact driver. Don't settle for weak bits, get the set built for power. Find the best deal in the description. Next, let's talk about the ultimate drill and driver combo. The DEWALT 20 VMAX drill and impact driver combo kit is the foundation of any serious workshop. Whether you're a seasoned contractor or a weekend DIY enthusiast, this kit is designed to handle just about any job you throw at it. DEWALT's reputation for durability and performance shines through in every detail of this combo. You get a versatile drill for making precise holes in wood, metal, or plastic, and an impact driver that delivers fast, powerful screw driving with minimal effort. The drill is perfect for everything from hanging shelves to building furniture, while the impact driver makes quick work of deck screws, lag bolts, and more. Both tools are engineered for comfort, featuring ergonomic grips that reduce fatigue during long projects. They're lightweight yet robust, and both run on DEWALT's reliable 20V Max battery system, so you can swap batteries between tools and keep working without interruption. The kit comes complete with 2 essential tools, 2 long-lasting batteries, a rapid charger, and a rugged contractor bag to keep everything organized and portable. It's a grab-and-go solution for job sites, home projects, or repairs on the fly. Pros love the efficiency. Drill pilot holes, then drive screws without swapping bits. This saves time and keeps your workflow smooth, especially when you're tackling big projects or working under tight deadlines. While these kits usually retail at a higher price point, savvy shoppers know that deals and sales can bring them under $100. That's an incredible value for professional-grade tools that will last for years. I'm always on the lookout for the best prices and special offers. Check the description below for current deals and up-to-date discounts. You don't want to miss out on a bargain like this. If you spot this kit on sale, don't hesitate. Grab it right away. It's truly the deal of the century for anyone looking to upgrade their toolkit with reliable, high-performance gear. Now let's make sure you have the right drill bits to match your new tools. Having the right accessories is just as important as having the right drill, so let's dive into what you'll need for your next project. The DEWALT 21-piece titanium drill bit set is all about clean, accurate holes and long-lasting performance. Titanium nitride coating reduces friction and keeps bits sharp longer. The 135-degree split-point tip prevents wandering for precise starts. Covers all common sizes for wood, plastic, and non-ferrous metals. The tough case keeps bits organized and protected. Massive upgrade over cheap bits, less pressure, cleaner holes, longer battery life. Professional-grade quality for under $100. Grab yours from the link below. Now, the ultimate impact driver for serious users. The DEWALT 20V Max XR Impact Driver, DCF 845B, is the pro's choice for power and efficiency. Brushless motor means more power, longer runtime, and a longer lifespan. Delivers huge torque with variable speed and 3 settings for total control. Compact, lightweight, and features a 3 LED light ring for shadow-free work. Designed for heavy-duty jobs but comfortable for all-day use. Frequently dips under $100 with the right deal. Check the description for current pricing. If you're serious about your tools, this is the impact driver to get. Don't miss out on this upgrade. 9. That's our top 10 under $100. Tools that deliver pro performance without the pro price. From socket adapters to power tools, every pick is durable, budget-friendly, and on sale now. Check the description for all Amazon and Affmine deals. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and share with a fellow tool lover. Your support helps us keep finding the best deals for you. Let us know your favorite tool in the comments. Thanks for watching. See you next time.